In today's episode, I'm going to be doing a little cooking. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, then you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, I'm going to make some butter herb steak, and I'm going to cook it in my new toy, my new pressure cooker. Okay, so I already mixed this together, and what this is some unsalted butter softened at room temperature, and I added some chives, and it says parsley, but I don't do parsley because I kind of allergic to it. And I added just a drop of some nice garlic in here, and making it smooth like this. Okay, that's done. Set that to the side. Now my next thing to do is, here's my steak, and now I'm going to season my steak. I'm just going to do basic seasoning. I have pepper, I have salt, and I have onion powder, garlic powder. Okay. Also, I'll be using olive oil. Set that to the side. Now I'm going to add a little oil to the pan so it don't stick. Okay. Oil is added. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is, and then go down to, now this is the first time me using it, so I'm looking at the directions of the setup on my phone. So right now I'm setting it for steak and to saute or brown, and then to set it on the weight of the steak. So this one has some good things to it that I really like. First time using it, getting used to the buttons, what section to go to, how to measure it, to measure the meat inside, all entails in these switches. And right now I'm putting it on steak and putting it on where to saute or to brown the steak and to preheat the pressure cooker. I'm putting it on medium. What is this? Medium rare. And it has well done. Medium well. Then that, I push the size of the steak. Continue. I've added oil. Now, as I said earlier, it's set for preheating. So right now it is preheating the crock pot or pressure cooker for the meat. Now it'll spin and it'll tell you when the heat is at 100% of what it wants the temperature to be before you add your meat. So I'll be back when it finishes preheating for me to start cooking. Okay, now it's saying on the front, preheating complete. So it's ready. And it says time remaining. Okay, so now I take one and take two, bring it inside with the oil. Now, I just wait for it to beep. It has 4 minutes and 6 seconds and counting for it to cook, for the sear saute. So I'll be back when the buzzer goes off. Now it gave me an alarm to come and flip the food. So, opening. Okay. Flipped it. Still have time remaining. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, that's good. That is good. So I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, check out one of the videos listed below, and you be blessed.